Today's December 4th, 2018. About 4 p.m. Got the fire nice and toasty. And I'm making some tamales. I've upgraded from the spoon to a big old spatula wooden spoons. Watching a little bit of X-Files. Wanted to show it's about 72 degrees in here, so that's how nice it's been. Staying pretty warm in here. And of course, a little sneak peek. These are really big tamales. Real big. Oh man, steaming them. Alright, been steaming for about an hour and a half. So enjoy your winter, everybody. I know I will be while eating some tamales. Much love.